Last weekend I grilled my first lobster tail. Let me show you what I did right and what could have been better. Okay, I was in the mood for a big summer weekend. Summer's coming to an end and I thought we would get out the outdoor movie screen and do a big surf and turf grill, but I've never cooked lobster tail before. I think I was maybe a little intimidated by the price, never done it before. Come to find out, it's pretty easy. Here, let me show you. Using kitchen shears, cut the top of the lobster shell from the meaty portion of the tail. Okay, stop right there. One of the things I wish I would have done was cut either more of the shell off or opened them up more, because when I grilled these, I didn't get great contact with the meat and the grill, and that would have given it more char and more texture. Okay, back to it. Season the meat with some kosher salt, black pepper, and a little olive oil. Then insert a wooden skewer lengthwise through the bottom portion of the lobster to keep it from curling up while grilling. Put your grill on medium heat and then place flesh side down on the grill and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, one of the things I did get right was prepare this garlic butter sauce for basting that we use in the second part of the cooking. Let me show you the sauce. Place a medium saucepan on medium heat and add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Allow this to melt, and then add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Stir and allow to cook for 60 seconds. Then add a 1/4 cup of chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Stir to combine. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of celery salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley. This sauce is super easy to make. You can make it during the first part of cooking or prepare it ahead of time. Now the lobster's been on for 5 minutes, so back to the grill. Okay, now you can turn your lobsters over, brush with the garlic butter sauce, and grill for another 5 minutes until just cooked through. Overall, the lobsters turned out great. We served these with some grilled fillets and asparagus. Had a good night. I'm definitely gonna open up those shells more so I can get some char on the flesh next time. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button so YouTube will show more of my videos. And if you got some value out of this, subscribe so I can see you in the next video.